Hello, good day everyone. Today I'm going to answer my assigned problems for power and industrial plant engineering. So first number, the question is: vapor is A, pure substance; B, perfect gas; C, mixed phase of liquid and gas; and D, homogeneous substance. So the answer for number one is letter C, which is mixed phase of liquid and gas. For number two, which form of the vapor has a behavior close to that of gas? So this referring to vapor. So choice A is wet vapor, B dry and saturated vapor, C wet and dry, and D is superheated vapor. So the answer for number 2 is letter D, which is superheated vapor. So for number 3, choose the false statement. So A, vapor is a pure substance; B, a perfect gas does not undergo a change of phase; C, vapor behaves like a perfect gas; and D, vapor is a mixed phase of liquid and gas. For this, the choice for A, B, and C is true, and the false for this is only letter D. So the answer is letter D, which is vapor is a mixed phase of liquid and gas. So for number 4, which of the following is the fluid whose properties in all its three phases are made of thermodynamics? So the choice A, ammonia; B, freon 12; C, helium; and D, water. So the answer for this, that properties in all its three phases are made of thermodynamics, is water. So the answer for this is letter D, water. Number 5. The critical temperature in degrees C for steam close to degree A, 313 degrees C; B, 347 degrees; C, 375 degrees; D, 409 degrees. So my answer for this is letter C, which is 375 degrees C, which is the critical temperature. Then for the last number, then number 6, critical pressure in bar. So the critical pressure in bar for this number, referring to number 5, is A, 252 bar; B, 225; C, 184 bar; D, 163. So the answer for this is letter B, which is 225 bar, referring for the number 5, because this is just similar to the situation above. So that's all. Thank you.